This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a WordPress website on Google Cloud. First, you will need to set up your Google Cloud environment. Begin by creating a Google Cloud account and enabling billing for your project. Next, select or create a new project and ensure that the Compute Engine API is enabled. Then, install the Google Cloud SDK on your local computer and initialize it. Finally, authenticate your account to connect your local environment with Google Cloud. Now, let's deploy WordPress. The easiest method is using the Google Cloud Marketplace, which offers a one-click solution for WordPress. This automatically sets up your virtual machine, web server, database, and PHP. Alternatively, you can manually create a Compute Engine virtual machine, install Apache or Nginx, MySQL, and PHP, then download and configure the WordPress files yourself. This gives you more control over the environment. With WordPress deployed, it's time for configuration. Access your new WordPress site using the public IP address provided by Google Cloud. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the 5-minute WordPress setup, creating your admin user and site title. Next, update your domain's DNS records to point to your Google Cloud instance. Finally, install an SSL certificate, such as a free Let's Encrypt certificate, to enable secure HTTPS for your website. To ensure your WordPress site runs smoothly, regular management is key. Always back up your WordPress files and database frequently to prevent data loss. Monitor your Google Cloud instance's performance and resource usage to identify any bottlenecks. For improved speed, consider integrating Google Cloud CDN to deliver content faster globally. If your traffic fluctuates, implement auto-scaling to automatically adjust your virtual machine resources, ensuring your site remains responsive during peak loads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.